fine. And you?
I was doing quite well, but I was wondering something.
Yes.
Could you tell me about the condition of our class?
Yes. This is a nice matter. The condition is our classroom is very good. I do not like this because there are many words and rubbish things here and there. And the wall in the wall we draw here and there. This is very uneasy for us. And we sit there and we sit on highways. See, there are many lessons.
Yes, I agree with you though. There are many bad sides and many things that makes our classroom learning. So I disagree with you. I completely agree with you that our classroom is very dirty. So could you tell me how can we improve the condition of our classroom?
Something is we should not go here, watch here and there. We should not speak here and there. We should not sit on highways when teachers are absent. And during at the teaching time we teach many things. We should not we should not throw the covers of the here and there. What about you?
Well, the thing is, I think there was something called ground rules about which are about cleanliness or making something clean. Could you tell me about it?
Yes, please again.
I was asking you about ground rules. Could you tell me about it? I am keen to know about it.
Yes, I'm like it's nice matter. Ground is very nice matter. Like at the field, we during that tiffin time we eat many things and throws their over here and there. This is very unhealthy for our spoil and we should not do it. What about you? What do you think
Well, the
about
thing
this?
is, I think you don't know about ground rules, so let me clarify it.
Yes, yes.
So, ground rule is about cleanliness or making something like a classroom. If you look around, there are writings on the wall or many paper rubbish things on the ground. So, ground rules is about not throwing things on the ground or doodling on the walls. Or, like, you say that the beach is very dirty. Keeping it clean also is included in ground rules. So, when I say ground rules, what came to your mind first?
I in mind the wish the past at the spoiled at the field. The classroom is not a ground floor in your ground floor.
Well,
Whatever.
you are not completely wrong. Ground rules also apply to our feet. Because if you look at your feet, there is many like wrappers or rubbish things that should not belong in a field. I have seen shards of glasses or many sharp things that can injure students. So can you suggest me some things on how we can keep our classroom clean and also our field clean?
Yes. In your many ways in your classroom, you should not throw here, wash here and there. Sit on highways and in our field during activity time, you should not wash here and there. And we should plant many trees. This is for very healthy for us and it also gives us many options. There are many importance of trees because you know that. So I think we should do it. What about you?
Yes, I really think that we should apply ground rules,
Yeah.
not only to our classroom, not only to our field, but also to our lives. Like if you see many students, they do not do the clean diapers, or their shoes are unclean,
Very
or
right.
their head is
Very
untied,
right.
or else will say it, but many people smell.
Yeah.
And they should shower regularly, keep their clothes tidy.
Before the coming
In
school.
short, they should apply the rules of ground rules, okay, into their lives. They should implement into their homes, their classroom, and their fields. So, can you tell me how do you really implement ground rules in your life?
Yeah, we should apply our ground rules in our life. Some of examples are we should shower every day. We should proper use of time and we should clean our shirt before the coming school. Anyways, okay. So what's your
I also implement like to do ground rules into my life by washing my clothes regularly or keeping my room tidy. So, nice talking to you. You know a lot about ground rules. So it's nice talking to you, everyone.
You're also.
But you see, I'm quite busy.
Yeah.
We should cut our conversation short
Yeah.
right here. See you again.
Yeah, great. See you.
See you.